Hello! In this video we're going to show you how to gain access to your personal Norwegian tax documents and how to correct a faulty tax return document if you are exempt from paying income tax or social security contributions to Norway. To be able to follow along this video, the following requirements have to be met. You have to have a D number. You require access to the digital services of the Norwegian Tax Authority by using, for example, BankID. You have been working in Norway as an employee in the past years and earned salary for it. You are not taxable to Norway for the work that you have performed, and the salary earned based on a tax treaty between Norway and your country of residence. Whether the income that you have earned for your work performed in Norway is taxable to Norway or not can be checked within the respective tax treaty. A link to the tax treaties that Norway has signed can be found in the video description. And lastly, you are exempt from paying national insurance contributions to Norway because you, for example, have an A1 certificate. If you are unsure about one of the mentioned requirements, please check out our other videos, our website, or contact us directly. We begin by accessing our digital tax profile. We do that by clicking on the link in the video description or by trying to find the web page using a search engine of your choice. This is how the web page looks like. We're able to change the language to English on the top right. And we'll be seeing a big blue button saying See My Tax, which we'll be clicking on, which will lead us to the login page. We'll be choosing BankID as our preferred method. We'll type in our credentials to log in and follow the instructions. This process might differ depending on the login method that you're using. Once you have successfully logged in, you'll be able to change the language again on the top right corner of the web page, translating everything to English. We're scrolling down, trying to find the blue button saying Go to My Tax Documents, and click on it. On this web page, you can find your tax returns, the tax assessment notices, the tax deduction card information, and other tax documents for the years that you have been active in Norway for. If you now, for example, are interested in accessing your tax documents for 2022, you scroll down, find that year, and click on Go to your tax return 2022. To see what salary information has been reported, we scroll down to the section Employment, National Insurance, and Pensions. In our current example, 275,000 have been reported for 2022. Based on the reported number, taxes and contributions have been calculated. To look at those, we scroll down. The provisionally calculated tax and duties in this example are 64,812. Since we are assuming that we are not taxable to Norway according to a tax treaty, we want to do some changes within this webpage. Our aim is to reduce the taxes and duties to 0. We do that by scrolling back up to the Employment, National Insurance, and Pensions section and pressing on the Open and Change button. We want to add more information and choose to add more information regarding national insurance and tax exemptions. We make sure that national insurance and tax exemptions is checked. We open the drop-down menu and select non-taxable without national insurance contributions. We scroll down and add some context to our change. In our current example, we are assuming that we are fully or partially exempted from national insurance contributions and that we have income from employment earned during temporary work stays in Norway that are not taxable. We check those two options and press OK. Based on the added information, the system is now recalculating the taxes and duties. In our scenario, this results in provisionally calculated taxes and duties of 0. Before we submit the new information, we want to attach further documentation. With this function, you are able to explain and support your case, or generally give more context to your situation. If you, for example, are exempt from paying taxes to Norway due to the length of your stay, you can mention this in your letter while referring to the corresponding tax treaty. You can find a template text that can be used as a general guideline and customized to your specific situation inside the video description. After clicking on the Attach Documentation button, we click on the I wish to attach documentation that is not linked to a particular field button. Within the drop-down menu, we can select what we want to attach. We choose Other. We are now able to browse our files and choose the letter that we have prepared. Once you have followed the mentioned steps, you're ready to submit the new information. We hope that this video turned out to be useful for you. Should you require more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.